So as you guys saw, we did pick up the car yesterday. It looked good, just a little bit of cleanup. We did run into an issue with the rotor and the brakes, so we had to leave it. We're actually flying back today to work on it and hopefully drive it back to Philly. We did have to change the front brakes. It seems like they didn't change them in a long time. As you can see, it was all the way down to the metal. We're gonna put the tires back on and take it for a run, see how it goes. So yesterday while changing the brakes, I noticed that the axle was going bad, so I went to the parts store, got a new axle, drove it here to Philly, and then just gave it a quick watch. Also, I took the seats out today. It needs some deep cleaning, so I went and got a vacuum. Let's see if that helps. Hello everyone, so as you guys saw, I did change the brakes for the car, drove it to Philly, changed the axle, gave it a quick watch, and stripped it down. So now I'm taking the car for a ride just to make sure that the axle is good. This is like my third time driving this car, so good luck to me. Let's see how that goes. So as you guys can see, I made it back home safe. Everything went well. The car is running great. I do need more practice driving the car, but other than that, everything worked out fine. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates. See you guys later.